Welcome to another Innovaphone myApps tutorial. In this video, we introduce you to the chat app and its features, showing you how to compose messages, send small files, and create group chats. By clicking on the chat app icon, either the free chat opens, or, if you have a chat or connect app license, the chat premium opens. The free chat is a transient chat where messages are not permanently stored. A guide on how to use the free chat can be found in our tutorial number 10. The paid chat premium is part of the Connect app, which is the social intranet for efficient collaboration. You can either purchase a chat license or you get chat premium included if you have a Connect app license. But even without a license, Connect is available to you with 200 free discussions. This way, you can get to know the benefits of Connect without any obligation. When you open Chat Premium, the Connect app appears behind the chat icon with the selected tab Chat. Alternatively, Connect can also be opened directly, and Chat can be selected. With the search field at the top, you can search for contacts by entering a name or abbreviation. The search results are then listed below. By clicking on the desired contact, you then start the chat. Similarly, you can start a chat with the chat button featuring a speech bubble with contacts within other apps, such as the Softphone and Users app. Existing chats are listed under the search field and can be opened by simply clicking on them. To compose a message, click on New Message at the bottom. Now the input field opens and you can start typing your message. The settings for formatting the text, for example, to bold, underline, or create a list, are located directly above the input field. With the two arrows, you can undo and redo editing steps. By clicking on the smiley symbol, a selection of emojis opens, which can be integrated into your message by simply clicking on them. Furthermore, there is the option to attach small files to your message, such as images or documents, by clicking on the paperclip symbol. To send the message now, you can either click on the arrow or paper airplane symbol located to the right below the input field, or you can also send messages using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Enter. The chat history is now displayed above the input field. If you receive messages and your chat window is closed, the number of unread messages will be displayed in red above your chat app icon. You can access the chat app settings by clicking on the hamburger menu at the top right. Here the current chat can be deleted, and under chat groups, all groups you are a member of are listed. Select a group here to see the members, change the name, add more members, or delete the group, or leave the group if it was not created by you. Furthermore, a new chat group can be created by clicking on Add Group. To do this, choose a group name, add the desired members via the selection list, and confirm with OK. The new group now appears under Chat Groups and in the chat selection list. To send a private message in a group, activate the icon with the person and the @ sign, and tag the desired contact in the message. To communicate more efficiently and collaborate across groups, try out the other features of the Connect app. Contact your administrator to upgrade to Chat Premium or Connect. Thank you for watching and have fun trying it out yourself.